right together with you. It's like snow is falling and friends are calling you. It's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Yes, it goes.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and only Mimi, and it's Vlogmas day. What? Like 5? Like 8? Day 5? And I just wanted to show you guys, or do like a quick little hair tutorial, I guess. I don't know. But I do have a hair review. I was I was contacted by Diamond Hair Company off of Instagram. You know what I'm saying? You know your girls get up there. But I was contacted by Diamond Virgin Hair Company. This is their little card off of Instagram, and the owner is very sweet, very nice. You know, she wanted me to be a little model, whatever, for her wavy curly hair. So I was like, you know what, why not? Someone literally just decided to call me. I can model that for her, whatever, you know. Aside from me having my own hair business and stuff like that, I do try to do some modeling for some companies, be a brand ambassador. So, and it's like everybody can make some coin.
Merry little Christmas.
The hair, she did say that I could choose from curly or wavy curly, and I really wanted straight, but she didn't offer that, so I got wavy curly. And they said they only go up to 26 inches for like bundles and closures, and frontals they can only go up to 14 inches. So I knew I wasn't going to make a wig out of this just because I have a whole bunch of curly hair wigs. So initially I wanted to do a frontal ponytail because the frontal size doesn't matter, but I'm trying to do this quick and I really do not want to be dealing with that, and I just got my hair blown out and everything, so I'm just going to use my actual edges. Frontal though, the frontal is nice and big. Y'all see that? So I told my mom that I would make a wig for her with this because she likes short frontals. So I got a 20-inch, a 22-inch, and a 24-inch. Why did I just do that? So this is how the hair looks. You know, that's full, but I think I'm only going to use 2 bundles for this look. And the longest length had some shedding like right off the back, and it felt a little bit different than the other ones. This is the 24. See, I got some strands already, which is, you know, it's fine. It's curly hair, it's whatever, you know. I'm not complaining about it, but it's whatever. Curly hair is going to tangle, like I always say, so it's whatever. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm basically just going to be using the 24-inch and the 22-inch, do a high ponytail, and do some edges. I'm not trying to put a lot of stuff on my hair because I literally just got it washed and done, and products that I wanted to use is not here yet. So we're going to do a review on those products when it comes later. So I'm going to put a link in the description box below so that you can purchase this hair or see the other textures that they offer. So okay, so I'm in my bathroom. Don't mind that stuff in there because I have to do my hair standing up, and I have to look at mirrors. I have a mirror here and I have a mirror there, so I just okay. So I'm gonna just brush this all the way up. I'm doing it now because tomorrow I'm not gonna feel like doing it. You know what I'm saying? Tomorrow I'm gonna have to post these pictures because I told them that I would like post the pictures 2 times a week for them. I have a headache, y'all. So I want this ponytail to kind of be high. So I definitely should put some oil in my hair. I'm just gonna use this oil. Not too much. Okay, that should be enough. So I'm not going to be using my scrunchie today. I'm going to be using an actual black hair tie to do this. I don't want it too tight because, like I said, I do have a headache. that is pretty much fine. What do y'all think? Okay, so what you want to do is just take your hair and braid it. I'm not really going to do the braid super duper tight because I don't want it to make a little crimp in my hair, even though it is. So hopefully I have it to lay like that, I guess, or in the back. I don't know, I don't really do ponytails, so this should be cool. I mean, it's just for a picture, just for Instagram. I don't really gotta do the most, you know what I'm saying? So where if I did a frontal ponytail, I would have to have some type of adhesive. If it was, I would have just used Got To Be Glued, but I still don't want that right there, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So look how my ponytail is already. And I need to go get some bobby pins because you're gonna need them. Okay. So I'm gonna comb it out a little bit. Fluff it out. I'm gonna get another bobby pin. Now I was gonna do it like a little bit longer, but it didn't work out for me. I might put the other one like underneath because you can kind of see my braid. So I'll come back. Okay guys, so this is the next day, the final look. I did another bundle in. I mean, it's long, but it's not too long. It's like one of those illusion ponytails, I guess. And I just did my edges, and I just did a ponytail. I think it looks really cute like this. Yeah. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you guys like this ponytail or not. But I love it. It looks cute. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.